Hey guys, welcome back. I'm in the middle of another project. I'm replacing all the receptacles in my house. I came upon this Milwaukee 7-in-1 tool, and I've used this tool so far on about half my receptacles, and I'm going to do a quick review on it and go over some of the features that it comes with. First off, it has a reamer to deburr. It has a bolt cutters for number 6 and number 8s. It's got a wire cutter, wire strippers for both solid and stranded. For the solid, it can handle 8 gauge through 18 gauge wires. For stranded, it can handle 10 through 20. It also has a loop maker for your shepherd's hook, wide jaws for twisting wires or pulling out wires and whatnot. It also has a crimper function. It has a high leverage handle, which I thought was, it's real comfortable and all. But so far, like I said, I've used it on half my receptacles, and I think it's a good pickup for the DIYer. So far, durability wise, I think it'll last the DIYer a long time. Commercial wise, I have no clue because I'm not using it for commercial use. But all in all, good pickup. So I hope this helps. Thanks again.